Hi, today I'm going to conduct an experiment on hand movement.
The materials needed for this experiment are a hand template on a piece of paper, scissors, straw, tape or glue, and yarn. To start this experiment, cut out the hand template using scissors. Bend the paper where the knuckles are. Then, cut up the straws to represent the lengths of the bones in your hand. And glue and tape the straws in place, making sure you don't crush the straws. And leave 1 centimeter gaps between the straws where the knuckles are to allow the fingers to bend. Then, tape 30 centimeter pieces of string to the top of the fingers and thumb. Then thread the strings or the yarn through the straws down each finger. Add a piece of straw at the wrist and thread all the strings down the straw. You can cut the slit up the straw if there isn't enough space. While holding the edge of the paper, gently pull on the strings from below the wrist. Your paper hand bundle should curl up like a real hand.
Why does this happen? The hand has many bones. The 3 bones in each finger and 2 bones in each thumb are called phalanges. The phalanges connect to the metacarpals, which are the 5 bones in the palm of your hand. Altogether, you have 19 bones in each hand plus the 8 in your wrist. The bones of the hand provide support and flexibility to the soft tissues. They can be divided into 3 categories. The carpal bones, or the closest to the arm, are a set of 8 irregular shaped bones. These are located at the wrist area. The 5 metacarpals, each one related to a digit, and the phalanges, which are the furthest from the arm, are the 2 bones of the fingers. Each finger has 3 phalanges, except for the thumb, which has 2. A tendon is a fibrous connective tissue which attaches muscle to your bone. Your fingers and thumbs are moved by tendons, which are moved by muscles. In most other bones in your body, tendons attach muscles to bone, and then the muscles move the bone. However, your fingers are special because there are no muscles in your fingers. Instead, the muscles that control your fingers are located in your palm and forearm. The muscles move the tendons in your fingers, and it's tendons that make your fingers move. The tendons slide through a tendon sheath which is connected to your finger bones. Look at both sides of your actual hand as you open and close your fingers, and you will see the tendons that are moving your fingers. In this experiment, I used straws to represent the tendon sheaths and yarn to represent the tendons.